Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and we're going to finish up the settings menu on the 2014 Toyota Camry. Last video we did the general settings, and we're going to do the phone settings, the Bluetooth settings, and the display settings. We're going to go through that menu. Alrighty, let's get started. Alrighty, to get to that menu, you're going to push the setup button right here. As you can see, I'm going to push that, and you're going to get to this menu right here. Where, like I said in the last video, we did the general settings. In this video, we're going to do Bluetooth. We're going to do the phone settings and the display. Let's start with the top one, display. We're going to click on that one. In this menu, we only have two settings. You got the screen off, and then you got the general settings to set the contrast / brightness of the screen. Let's push this button right here. That button turns the screen off. To turn it back on, as you can see, you're going to push the setup button right there again. Push that, and that turns it back on. We're going to go back to the display. That was the button I pushed earlier, which turns the screen off. Okay, now we're going to go to the general to adjust the contrast and the brightness of the screen. Push that. And here's a sample of what it looks like right now, what I got my settings on. And here you see where it say contrast. Okay, to increase the contrast, you're going to push the negative. All right, that's the brightest settings right there. To decrease it, you're going to push the positive. And right there is the lowest settings. I'm going to adjust mine to the way I want it. About right there. Once you get the desired settings, you're going to push OK. And to get back to that main menu again, you're going to push the back button right there. And that completes the display settings menu. And now we're going to the Bluetooth. We're going to click on it. Here's that menu, which shows the registered devices, connect phone, connect audio player, and detailed Bluetooth settings. Let's push the registered devices. And you can see right here, what's connected to the system right now is the Pixel XL. And you allow up to 5 different devices. To add one, you just push that. Right now it's telling you right, you can read it yourself, but I do not want to disconnect mine. I'll just show y'all. Alrighty, to get back to the main menu, you're going to push the back button one more time. And it's the same thing to connect the phone. Mine is already connected. It's the Pixel XL. Add, you're going to push that. Give me the same message because the Pixel XL, my current device, is already connected. And I don't want to disconnect it. To go back, hit that button again. And it's going to be the same thing for connect devices. And in this menu, the detailed Bluetooth settings, I'm not going to pull that up because that'll get you my detailed Bluetooth information, and I don't want y'all to see that part. Okay, we're going to go back, and that takes us back to the main menu. Last settings menu is the phone. We're going to click on that. These are the settings you can choose from. You got phone settings and the phone book. Phone sound settings, excuse me. Let's click on that. Here you can adjust the sound, you can adjust the call volume, the ringtone volume, and you can choose up to 3 different ringtones. So adjust the call volume, hit that. To decrease it, you're going to push this button to decrease it. To increase it, you're going to push the plus button. To get to the desired, once you get to the desired level, I'm going to put mine real low. You hit OK. Same thing for the ring volume. Click on it, increase, plus, decrease, minus. Desired settings, same thing, okay. Last but not least, we're going to get the ringtone. We're going to click on that one, and you have 3 different choices. Here's the first tone, Second one. Third one. Okay, once you get the right one you want, you're going to hit OK. Once you're done with all the call volume settings, the ringtone volume, and the ringtone, you're going to push this button to save it on the system. Next one, we're going to hit the phone book. Right here, you got a choice to manage your contacts in the store up till 10,000. No, excuse me, 1,000 on the hard drive. You can transfer your files from your cell phone to here. Same thing with the manage your speed dials. Same thing with your speed dials. You can manage your speed dials by pushing this, and you can put a new speed dial from contacts, or you get a new speed dial from the call history. I'm not going to push that because I don't want y'all to get in my contact or contact information. And you're allowed up to 18 free to store in this system. And that was just a easy setup menu on the 2014 Toyota Camry. We did display, we did the general, Bluetooth, and the phone settings on the 2014 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching. Please at the end like, comment, subscribe. Be graceful.